So my problem is whenever I see something, I think, oh, I could make that, or I could do that. And in this case, it was no different. These floats for rods, and Amazon, they are just over $20. Temu, they're a little bit cheaper, but I'm never quite sure what you're going to get with the Temu brand things. So the Amazon one seemed a little bit expensive for 3 of them. And so I thought, you know what, let's look around. Pool noodles, they're a little bit too thick, but this pipe insulation seemed to work perfectly, and it was only like $1.50 or something like that for about 36 inches of this particular insulation cover. So these Velcro straps, which I purchased a while ago for, you know, tying cables in my computer, etc., use them to tie my fishing rods together, and in this case they fit perfectly around here. And what I'm going to do is, you know, you compress it when you put it on, and that should hold that on the fishing rod without a problem. You could use zip ties it too, etc., but I want to be able to move, say, one of these that will fit on another rod. And I checked them in terms of my spinning reel. They're not going to get in contact with the spinning reel setup, so I think this is going to work out perfectly. So let's get to cutting. Somewhere around there. And that's my longer piece. Next one we're going to cut out is a 12-incher. So this is for certain rods where this will fit a little bit better. This last little piece, which is about 9 inches, which is perfect for my very small 5-foot ultralight rod. So I got 3 rod floats right there for the different size rods I got, all for $1.50, along with these Velcro straps. This is all you need. And again, I don't think this is going to work for bait casters because of the way they are organized. With the spinning rod, it works perfectly because there is such a big gap here, because usually the eye is much further down from the rod, at least the first eye. Simply, you just take your Velcro ties and right about like that. Nothing fancy. Press it down and it stays on there pretty good. It shouldn't get in the way of casting or anything like that. Now, as this 8-foot rod, 8.5-foot rod with this 3000 reel on there, I'm not fully confident it's going to stay above water. We'll have to see, and we'll actually unfortunately have to test this out. I'm going to sacrifice the rod and let's see if it floats. This is one of the heavier rods that I have. Well, not heavy, but I hate doing this, but let's put it in. Yeah, floats no problem with that float on there. Excellent. Oh God, now let's get it back. Oh, pains me to do that to the reel. I'm gonna service it anyway, and but yeah, it works. 3 different rod floats for all my different size rods, all for about $1.50, and honestly probably took under 5 minutes to do. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next Ladybug adventure. Alrighty, so we is on. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, beautiful smallie. Beautiful smallmouth. Oh yeah, look at this guy. Ain't this a beauty? It's good. It's a good few, maybe 3-4 pounder. Again, from the deep.